So we're going to have a quick legal analysis from Tom Runyon and George Castrotaro, local attorneys.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Tom Runyon. What a great day. We've all been fighting for this for many, many, many years. Very quickly, I just want to go over what happened today. The justices were asked to rule whether on two things. One, can two members of the same sex get married? And we all say, yeah. All right. And then the second one was, if you're married in a state that allowed it, but you live in a state that doesn't allow it, does that state have to recognize your marriage? And we say, yes. Okay. And fortunately today, the Supreme Court said yes to both of those things. I could go on with some more legal analysis, but it's hot. I want to leave you with a quote from what the justices wrote today. I think it's very important. No union is more profound than marriage, for it embodies the highest ideals of love, fidelity, devotion, sacrifice, and family. In forming a marital union, two people become something greater than once they were. They ask for equal dignity in the eyes of the law. The Constitution grants them that right. Now, George Castrotaro.
Thanks, Tom. It's hard to believe that less than 100 years ago, LGBT folks had relatively no rights at all. We were existing in a state of secrecy. And now less than 100 years has passed, and we've accomplished some monumental steps. And I can't even begin to say how excited I am that not only has marriage equality passed, but if you take the time to read this important opinion, what you're going to notice is that the opinion actually recognizes LGBT individuals as having a fundamental civil right of marriage. It's the first time that the Supreme Court has actually identified that, and that as a legal sort of element means a lot. It means that we have the opportunity to pursue our rights even further. And the reason I'm going into this is because workplace discrimination is still running rampant. LGBT folks are still being fired. They're receiving wages less than their similarly situated peers. Housing discrimination is still a huge issue for us. And so now we have to take this victory today and we have to turn it into more victories so that we can honor the 75-year legacy of people before us and build our rights so that we eventually can stand side by side with our peers and be actually equal.